A long life spent in a miserable way.
Hey everybody, it's Lindsay J back with another video, and today's video I'm finally doing a pet tag with my kitty cat Grudvu, or in English Snowball, because this is super requested, so you guys will finally get to meet my kitty cat Grudvu. Like we do in the beginning of every video, here's a huge shout out to these two people right here for having my post notifications turned on, and if you would like a shout out right here on my channel, please hit the bell icon right next to the subscribe button so that you can post Notification Squad in the comment section down below within the first 5 minutes of every video. This is my kitty cat Grudvu. Grudvu, say hi. Grudvu, say hi. Say hi, baby. So Grudvu is my kitty cat. She has she used to have a different collar, but this Grudvu, please. This is her collar here. You can see it. She has cute little diamonds. Cute little diamonds for my diamond. Baby, come here. Okay. Come on, be a good girl, be a good girl. Okay. Okay, treats? Treats? Yeah? You want a treat? But she knows how to do a trick, guys, okay? I taught her this. Good girl, Grudvu. Good girl. Okay, Grudvu. Good girl, Grudvu. Okay. Oh my god. Snow, come here. It's okay. Good girl. Well guys, I got Grudvu 4 years ago. 4 years ago on Christmas. She was my Christmas present my first year in high school. I actually didn't know that I was gonna get her. My mom put her in like a huge bag, and she was the last present that I received because I got some other things. Like that was when I got my first PlayStation. If you guys don't know, I am a huge gamer behind the camera. Maybe I'll get into that a little bit more in the future. And I'm a huge basketball fan, in case you guys didn't know that either. Yeah, she was a big surprise, and I'm so glad that I got her because it's the best present I've ever gotten in my life besides when I go to Serbia. So, Grudvu, come here. Grudvu is approximately 4 years old because she was only a few months when I got her for my birthday, actually maybe even a few weeks old, and she's not exactly the most like loving and cuddly cat. She more likes to just sit by herself. I know you guys see her in my other videos where she's just sitting in the background all the time, literally the whole time in my videos. She just sits there staring out my window, and that's a very Snowball day. This is Grudvu's favorite brush that she loves that I brush her with. I actually showed this brush in my Get Ready With Me with my cat. Snow, come here. Come here, baby girl. Oh, she really likes this brush. Good girl. That's a good Snow. Good girl. And I try to do this, if not every day, as much as I can, because her fur, like I said, it falls out so much, and by doing this I can prevent her fur from getting all over my clothing. So in general, Grudvu! She does understand the name Grudvu, and I believe that Snowy actually understands Serbian because my boyfriend, he speaks with my cat in Serbian whenever we're Skyping, and she'll look at him and like, I think that's hilarious. And I actually try to speak with her in Serbian, but I don't know Serbian well enough to really do that yet. But as you can see, she loves this brush. If you have a cat or you're thinking about getting a cat, you should really try and get the brush like this, because it actually helps you bond with your cat and it helps them keep nice and clean with their cute little fur. Honestly, Grudva's best moments are usually off camera, which is exactly why it's really hard for me to make a pet tag about her, because every time I turn the camera on, she decides to not do anything interesting. So I try to capture some of her funny moments, but it's quite impossible. The only times that I really was able to capture some of her funny moments was back when she was a kitten and we had first gotten her. Like I said, her fur gets everywhere, guys. And these are her favorite treats. Oh my god, she will do anything for these treats. As you can see right here, here she is. She loves to eat, guys, okay? She loves to eat. This cat can eat. I mean, her belly, she's got quite a big belly. She's got quite a big belly because I feed her a lot. And not only do I feed her, but when I feed her, then my mom feeds her, because she cries like she hasn't eaten all day, and I try to feed her. I really do. So as you can see, this already has so much fur in it, and I only was brushing her for like 5 seconds. She has so much fur. And in the future, you guys will see my other pets that I do have. If you follow me on Instagram, you've at least seen all of my pets at least once. I have 5 animals. Yes, that's right. I have 5 animals in my house. So you guys will for sure be watching that interesting video. Good girl. Good one. Come on. That is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please smash the thumbs up button down below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you know what's good for you. Peace on the street. It's going down for real.